Welcome back to Unboxing Life with Mike and Sarah, and in this vlog we're traveling on the Pacific Coast Highway from California to Oregon with my little brother Mark joining us, hiking through giant trees, exploring nature, having a great time, and even making some new animal friends along the way. Whoa, it's our suitcase, babe. You excited?
So excited.
So excited. All packed already. We didn't lose any luggage.
Not yet.
No, don't say that.
Oh, no.
Stopping off at this visitor center with this beautiful view. There's so many elk out there. Oh, what?
Hi, kids. I'm a road runner.
I'm a road runner. And check out this view. Whoa. Look at that beautiful view. What are you looking at?
Just trying to find my elk buddies.
Your elk buddies, let's take a look. Look, there's elk.
Okay, I think I'm gonna get rid of them.
Ooh, we're gonna hike down this little trail here. Not sure if we're even allowed to, but doesn't trespassing something forbidden by law. Oh man, look at that view. Can't see it, but the Golden Gate Bridge is right there. And right ahead, which now you can't see because of the fog, it keeps coming and going, is Alcatraz. Right here is my girlfriend Sarah, and that is Mark. And this is myself. And we are enjoying San Francisco, baby. It's having so much fun. I know, it's gone again already. Alright, we'll see if we can get some nice photos and videos of what's going on next. How crazy this place is.
Beautiful.
Mark, what's the name of this place?
Palace of the Fine Arts.
This is Palace of the Fine Arts here right next to the San Francisco Bridge. It's gorgeous, it's amazing. Come here and then come check out the sunset. 2 in 1. Oh, and if you like Alcatraz, you can check it out. It's right over there. Whoa. Yeah. We're on the hunt for the elusive San Francisco Bridge. It's been very hard to capture it today. Oh my gosh. Oh, you can see Alcatraz really good. It's right there. But oh, look at that. Look at that shot. I'm dual cameraing it. Wow. Let's try to get this. Right. Oh god. Just want photos. Get it. Boom. Boom. Mark's in the photo. Boom. So gorgeous. Wow. So look at that. I love you.
I love you.
Here we are at the San Francisco Bridge. It's crazy. All right, well clearly the fog rolled in a lot on the San Francisco Bridge, but we had so much fun. We got so many cool shots, so many videos, and we're gonna head now to go grab some food because we're starving. Where's everybody? It's fine. All right, we're gonna go get some food now and we'll catch you guys once we get it. Let's go. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the like button down below and hit that subscribe because we're going to be posting a lot more videos of this trip and a lot of trips in the future, right babe?
Yes.
All right, tell them yourself, what are they going to do?
Subscribe and hit the like button.
Damn right. Alright, let's eat up. Oh, it's so good. Look at all that. Are you excited? First bite? And we are heading out. We're going to the what forest today?
Redwoods.
We're going to the redwood forest. All right, see you guys there. Whoa, check it out. What do you think, baby?
It's cool.
It's so cool. Crazy. Can you stand next to it? So size comparison. Look at that. That's insane. Everything around this area is just giganormous. Careful, Mark. This thing was born way before you.
Yeah, I'm at the same height as it. Just it's
Wow.
elevated.
It's so crazy. Well, we made it. We're here in the redwoods forest. I'm showing Sarah around. We're gonna take her to this really cool spot that me and Mark came to a few years ago, and we're gonna check it out again, but with Sarah, because she's never been, and it's so cool. If you come to the redwoods, you have to check out this gift shop. This is a Redwood Gifts, Red Crest Resort, but the gift shop alone is so cool to check out. I can't put it in words. I just really can't. This is Sarah's first time to come check it out, so check out all the hand carving out front too. Oh, that's so cool. Wow. Sarah's already looking at clothing. Yeah. Be nice or go home. You hear that? Whoa. Hello, how you doing? Very good, thank you. So gorgeous inside here. Look at this. This is a bandsaw for the logs. All right.
We got some patches.
Yeah.
The 2 places we've gone so far.
So cool.
And some coasters.
Yeah. So cool. And all the coasters we've been to. Ah, I'm
They're
excited.
really cute.
They are really cute, baby. I love you.
I love you.
Hank and Florence, Saddle Grove. It's been about 2 years since me and Mark been here. Just a little over that. Are you gonna look at? You could use these like steps, like a stair. There you go. Keep going. You got it, baby.
There's spiders. Be careful.
You got it, baby. You're not going any higher.
Oh, if I fall.
You're not gonna fall. Here, I got you. I'll
What
catch
if
you.
I fly?
There you go. Come on, baby. I'll be with you, bud. Okay. All right. All right. Can you do one more? I'm right behind you. Don't worry. Yep. What's it look like?
Here, take the
Can I
cam.
come up?
You can put your foot in that hole.
Hold on.
Tell her to put her.
Yeah, babe, if you want, you can put your foot in this hole if you need be. But okay, hold on. Oh, baby, you going in there?
Well, let
Okay.
Michael see what's going on.
Yeah, what's going on first before you just jump on in?
You think they'll sink in there? Is a sinkhole?
Oh, whoa. I don't think you'd sink. All right, you want to go in it? It might just be really hard to. It might be really hard to get you out. Is my range. The main reasoning is I don't know how well you're gonna be able to get out of this.
You think?
Yeah, I think. What are we supposed to do with that?
I'm poking it.
Oh no, people definitely stand in it. It's just gonna be a little sketchy, and I really have to pee. Oh, I could pee off the back of this. I'm gonna jump in. Oh, it's a little spongy. Babe, where are you? You wanna come in? Ooh.
I don't know.
I feel like this is like where like animals kill things. Okay, come here.
Do you want me?
Yeah, if you want. You ready? Ugh, we're both here, standing on it. We're inside it. Oh. It's a little spongy, huh?
This is cool. Or it's out of the rain.
Can I pee in here? Or is that too much? Oh, look at all the spiders, though.
Spiders?
Well, spider webs. I'm sure they're there. Just can't see them exactly. Wow. This is so
Inside a
crazy.
tree.
We're inside a tree. This thing used to be hundreds of feet tall. Look at that. Probably at least 300 to 400 feet tall. And we are inside it. That's insane to think about. Oh, she's running. Look how beautiful this is, babe. Just take a look around. Oh my God, look how big this tree is.
Whoa, that's scary.
Michael went in there. Watch, bring a stick first.
Abracadabra!
You ready?
All right, me and Sarah might not come back from this trip, but we're ready to go in and risk our lives just for the vlog. You ready? You ready?
The boy who lived, come to die.
Whoa. Can you see us at all? That was black. Thanks. Thanks, Mark. Isn't this crazy? Check this out.
I feel like I could go through that, but I'm also kind of scared of spiders.
Yeah, I don't think it's worth the vlog for that.
I'm getting on top of it.
Oh my god, babe. Look how we were just inside this right here. Oh my god. Look how big this tree was. Look, it even goes further than this tree. It's just they cut it. Oh my god. Are you Naruto running everywhere? Whoa. Isn't it crazy? Yeah, we can go in there. She's talking about this hole all the way over there. Alright. You want us to go in there with you? Big party? A powwow?
Sure, come in.
Hello.
Here we go. Oh god. Oh. What if there's like animals in here that want to kill us? Look at this. We're inside
Come
a
on,
burnt
Sarah.
tree. Wow.
All through.
Holy crap. Look how tiny she is next to it. Oh my god. This is insane. Oh my god. It just keeps going down. I don't think you'll be able to get a photo of us. Wow, babe, that looks amazing.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.
Oh my god, babe, you're so strong. Hold it up. What are you holding? Oh my god, you're holding a tree? Whoa! Hold up. Hold up. I really wanted to see that, but not like this. Oh my god. I know, but I just don't want to jump in front of me. Holy shit. Hi, buddy. Just stay.